Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to transfer videos from computer to iPhone. So right now I will show you the easiest method to transfer one or multiple videos from computer to iPhone without downloading any app. Just follow these easy steps. First of all, on your computer, open a browser and now we have to open our Google Drive. So you can open google.com and then click on this apps icon, and here you'll find Drive. Just open Google Drive first. Once you are in your Google Drive homepage, now you can directly upload videos here from your computer. But I want to create a folder first, and then I'll upload all of my videos into the folder. So here's I'm clicking on new and new folder and giving the folder name transfer videos from PC to iPhone, and just creating the folder. Once the folder created, let's open the folder, and now I will upload those videos into this folder I want to transfer to my iPhone. So here's I'm clicking on new and upload file. And now from your computer, all you have to need, select those videos you want to transfer to your iPhone and just upload them here. And it may take some time to upload all of your videos. It depends on your video file size and on your internet speed. Okay, once you successfully uploaded all videos on your Google Drive, it's time to download these videos on our iPhone. And here's how to do it. On your iPhone, first of all, you have to download or install the Google Drive app. So go to App Store and search for Google Drive. Now, all you have to need, install Google Drive app on your iPhone. Once done, go ahead and launch your Google Drive app. And now here you have to use the same Google account, which Google account you used in your computer to upload your videos. So here you can tap on this icon at the top right and select the same Gmail or Google account. Once done, here tap on Files, and here you will see the folder you created. Just go to the folder, and under the folder you will find all of your computer videos you uploaded. Now all you have to need, just tap on this three dot next to the video that you want to download in your iPhone and tap on download. Once downloaded, go to your Photos app, and in your Photos app you will find those videos you just downloaded from your Google Drive. So this is how we can easily transfer videos from our computer to iPhone without iTunes. If this video will help you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.